Well guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're a regular subscriber, you're probably used to me doing videos from shows and events. If you've just discovered this because you've YouTubed or searched for motorbike ride, you're in the right place. Today we're going for a motorbike ride. It's the end of show season, end of September, and rather than me presenting a show, I'm taking you out on a ride to show you what I do when I'm not running all over the country presenting shows at weekends. So today I'm going out round, well, we're meeting in Banbury and we're going to head, I'm not actually sure where we're heading, but I do know there's a steam train at the end of it, which I'm quite excited to see. But first thing is we need to meet the group. Now, you might have searched for how do you find motorcycle groups. So I found Banbury Rideouts on Facebook, which is actually quite a good place to start. If you have a look on Facebook and just put in Rideouts, or even if you just put on a community group, anyone know of any Rideouts? Well, local cars and coffee meets, that's another good place to find. Just start talking to people, they'll tell you where they are. And then most of the Rideouts have got groups on Facebook now. I'll be completely open and honest with you as well. I'm probably not going to be as bouncy as I usually am in these videos. The last few days I've been suffering with low mood. I'm a bit nervous because I need to meet at the Barley Mow and I've forgotten how to get there. I'm not having a good day today, you know. It's late leaving. Then as I tried to get the motorbike out, I blocked myself in. Then when I finally got space to get out, I knocked a bloody jar of screws off the side, which went all over the floor, right underneath the bike as well, so I couldn't move. Great. And now I can't remember the way there, and I'm starting to panic because I don't want to miss. I don't want to be late. A little nod. It's kind of what I quite like about it. Right, so obviously I do a lot of car shows and tanks and trucks and so forth, and a few bikes come to those shows and events. But what I find lovely about the bike community is it's so welcoming and warm. Ooh, cockapoo. What I find lovely about the bike community is it is very warm and welcoming, and I didn't think it was like that at all. Anybody from the outside looking in might feel it's a bit intimidating, and I felt that when I first started riding, even before I started riding. We find, like, the guys that I'm about to meet, I don't really know any of them. I think James is the main man from the group, but other than that, I don't know anybody else there. But I'm taking a risk here, aren't I? But I guarantee that all of them are going to be friendly. Oh my god, it's massive. There's lots of people here. This is cool. Woo-hoo-hoo. Fun times. I want to go back. Whoa, there's more coming. Look at this. Well, this is quite something, isn't it? Woo! He's got the same jacket as me! This is the biggest ride I have been on, like in terms of numbers. Wow. Stopping traffic. This might be normal for most, but this is entirely new for me. shot going through there. If you just stood on the side of the road, that's when you see all this lot coming through. Oh, the noise! The noise is amazing! Oh, look at this. It's like Gates of Paradise. Woohoo! Man behind here who wants to get by me, so I'm going to move over in a minute. How rude was I there saying that's a man? Wasn't a man, sorry. It's a lady. My apologies. I don't know where I'm going. Are we going straight or where am I going? Oh bollocks. Where are we going? Oh shit. Okay. So we've gone from a ride of, how many bikes would you say was there? 30? Somewhere around there? Many bikes to sitting behind a S-Max. Oh crap, and they're all following me. Shit. This is bad. I don't want this kind of responsibility. Everyone follow someone. If you got stuck behind me going through Chippy, I'm sorry, I had no idea where I was going. When I say boys, I mean that sort of unisexually. I don't want anyone watching this video being like, there's girl riders too! I know there's girl riders too. I don't care if it's he, she, they, them. Are we straight on or are we left? Oh, we are left, okay. There's a friend. Ooh, a friend! This is where this person is just going to work. I really hope they're not. Well, look at this. Stone the bold. Oh God. Oh God. They're not on the right. Oh crap. I am lost. I don't know where I'm going. Alright. I can't believe it! Wow, look at that though. That's lovely, that is. Oh look, that's the, whatchamacallit, steam railway. Yes! I'll go down there and see if we can see a steam train later. Chop, 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 chop. Is that the bridge? Oh yes! Pheasant in, pheasant in, pheasant in. Pheasant in, yes! Well.
Now the party's over.
Whose idea was this?
Who do you think?